What's the meaning of Black English? Black English. Black English.
Black English. Black English. Black English, also known as African American Vernacular English, AVE, is a dialect of the English language spoken primarily by Black Americans. It is characterized by unique grammatical structures, vocabulary, and pronunciation patterns that distinguish it from standard American English. AVE has a rich history rooted in the experiences and cultural traditions of Black Americans and has been studied extensively by linguists and sociologists. While some perceive AVE as inferior to Standard English, it is recognized as a valid and valuable form of communication that reflects the diversity of American culture. Many have advocated for its acceptance and incorporation into mainstream education and media.